that push start button, we're taking that out. In. I'm gonna do this over and over again. Come listen to my podcast. 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 Podcast. 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 Listen to my podcast. Just to make sure you guys know what I'm working on, because you're the one who wanted this video, or you decided to break the button, or let's take all this stuff out first. So, with plenty of tools at our disposal, we have to remove this door. You can use something like this, go in between the crack, and while you have it open, you can use your hand, or an actual tool, but your hand could be just as good. You see? Now, we got screws 1, 2, and 3. Don't forget number 4. I already took it out. And it goes over. You see? And then it pops out towards you. And that's it. That shroud coming out. Screws. He said 1 screw right there. And then you turn the wheel so you can get to the top part. You want to pull this down and pull the actual column out. You see? Now, gently, this pops out. This are pretty tight. These guys are pretty tight. So I used something like this to get into the corner. Right there. And you see they're just little clips. Clip, 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 clip. Alright. Now that allows you to remove the top part of the shell. With both of them out of the way, I see this overlapped. I said, I don't see any screws, so let me just pull. So I started pulling, and very gently, this popped out. Just enough to get this back behind it. Now very carefully, it's very tight. I came up top here, so I sort of straightened it out as I was pulling from down here. You see? Alright. That got to the edge when I finally got to here, and then used this again because it is just all clips. You see? Got 1, 2, 3, and 4. But these are kind of tight. That's what you're sort of releasing the pressure off of. These sit nice and tight in here. Alright, so here is the part number, I guess. Let's get it out. See if that's how you do it. You probably just squeeze this in here. Let's get the screws out and get it on our hands. And there you have it. So, if you really want to take it out of this little tray, you got to squeeze these little tabs in. 1 on each side. I can't get my fat hand in there, but I can get a tool like that in there. Or this one. So let's get it out. Alright, she's stubborn. I don't feel like getting it out. But you get the idea. So, I'll put the 3 screws back. You can get it out. It's not hard. You just got to put it on a bench. But, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.